Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making the most perfect classic tomato soup. If you want an incredibly simple and delicious tomato soup that's a hit every time, stay tuned for the last tomato soup recipe you'll ever need. First, I start off chopping the mirepoix, carrots, celery, and yellow onion. I chop everything into a medium dice and I crush the garlic a little to peel the skin off. Next, I start a pot with olive oil and add in the lardon. I cook the pork belly until browned and then add in the garlic and onions. I sweat the onions down a little bit before adding in the carrots and celery. I'll add some salt and then sweat the vegetables down on medium heat, taking care not to get too much browning. I add in chopped parsley and a bay leaf and sweat just a little bit more before adding in the strained tomatoes. I pretty much always rinse the bottles out with a bit of water to get every bit of tomato. Next, I add in the chicken stock and stir everything together. I cover this and cook it on low for about 20 to 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. Once it's done, I'll let it cool a bit before adding into the blender and blending. I add some dry herbs and cream and then salt to taste. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes, cooking tips, and meal prep ideas. Happy cooking!